Hello, Day! Happy birthday! Wish ko matupad lahat na wish mo. Good health ka lang lagi. More blessings sa sa monday.com mo. Nawa ay may work na rin si Kuya mo, Jess. Good health ka lang lagi dyan. Salamat sa lahat-lahat na tulong mo kay Kuya mo. Bagong bahay na bili mo. See you on February. Basta more birthdays to come. Good health and long life ka lang dyan lagi. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Miss na miss ka namin. Hindi man tayo magkita itong Pasko. Pero soon, makita din kita. Araw-araw naman Pasko, hindi ba? Nagkataon na busy ka dyan at hindi kayo makauwi ni kuya mo. Makauwi din kayo, kailangan din makauwi kayo para makita mo rin yung pinaghirapan mo na nabili mong bahay, pang good vibes sa'yo, pang tanggal pagod, pang tanggal stress, dahil napundar mo yan sa sarili mong sikap, sa sarili mong pawis, di ba? Basta kung ano man ang nagpapaligaya sa'yo, suportahan lang kita. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday. Love you, miss you, miss you. Ito si baby, oh, magbe-birthday sa'yo.
Happy birthday! Merry Christmas! Love you!
Love you daw. Si baby yan, pero matanda na yan. Pero baby pa rin pangalan. Love you, Day. Mua, 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 mua. Chup, chup. Ingat palagi. See you soon. Mua. Hello, Day. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Day, kamusta kayo dyan ni Kuya mo, Jess? Sana, wish ko na in God's will, makauwi kayo. Tapos, lagi kayo dyan mag-ingat. Mag-ingat ni Kuya mo, Jess. At saka, lagi kayo dyan mag-pray day, ha? At saka, Merry Christmas na rin. Malapit na, ilang days na lang. Merry Christmas after your birthday. Christmas na. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year sa inyo nga dalawa. Si Kuya mo, Jess, dyan yan sa iyo na. Di ba? Oh, lagi kayo dyan mag-ingat. At saka, namimiss na namin kayo, Day. Sobra-sobra namimiss ko kayo. At saka, I love you. I love you both. Mag-ingat lagi. At saka, ingatan nyo yung sarili mo, ha. Yung, yung katawan mo. Bawas-bawasan yung kunting kanin. At saka, bawal uminom. Bawal uminom. Kasi may party-party dyan. Hindi ka magpakalasing dyan, ha. Sige, Day. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Bye. Love you, love you, love you. Love you, Day.
Ha? Ano na? Anong oras na? 12 o'clock, December 22. Putang. Sa birthday dito pala, birthday mo pala ako, kaka. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Remix. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Haha. Happy birthday, Kokak. Okay, tulog na ako ulit. Ay, teka. Nag-wish pala ako. Yung wish ko, matupad lahat ng wish mo kasi alam ko naman para sa atin yan. Ay, yun. Tsaka, salamat. Alam mo na yun kung bakit, syempre, ikaw ngayon yung alay eh. Di bale, susunod na yan si Jess. Happy birthday, Kokak. More to come. I love you. See you soon. Alam mo na.
Hello, Day. Happy birthday. Lumayo kami sa'yo para mabati ka namin ni Milo. Ayan siya, oh. Nag-walking kami rito. Hindi namin mabati pag nandun ka eh. Surprise na namin sa ito. Deserve mo to, Day. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Maraming salamat sa mga sakripisyo mo. Maraming salamat sa mga inabono mo. Alam naman natin, isa ngayon, ikaw yung pinaka-donya pa ngayon eh. Kaya deserve mo to, Day. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Maraming salamat sa lahat talaga, Day. Kayo na ang bahala sa amin. Sana magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming kliyente at maraming trabaho pa. Sana maraming maganda ang pasok ng bagong taon sa atin. At makasama at good health lang para sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa lahat dahil ikaw nang bahala talaga sa amin sa ngayon. Andito ako nakasuporta lagi sa iyo. Ikaw nang bahala sa ngayon muna. Tulong naman ako sa iyo pag maganda-ganda ng kliyente natin. At maraming salamat. More birthdays to come. Good health lang sa iyo, Day. Tuloy-tuloy lang sana ang mga pangarap natin. Makapag-abroad, makapag-tour pa tayo, magkasama. Sana mapadala natin sila mami rito, sila Kuya Jeff. Ikaw nang bahala sa amin sa lahat. Pasensya ka na, Day. Ngayon, nag-umpisa pa lang eh. Pero sana magtuloy-tuloy na to. Sana maganda ang New Year natin, bagong pasok natin. Mahal na mahal kita, Day. I love you, Day. I love you so much. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Birthday, lahat na. Good health lang para sa'yo. At mag-love life. Ha! Bye-bye. I love you, Day. I love you so much. I love you.
Birthday na ni Tita Mami. Kaso wala siya eh.
Kantahan na lang natin siya.
Let's go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
I love you, Tita Mami. I love you forever and ever. Ganda ka always.
Yay!
Happy birthday, Tita Mami. I miss you po. Sana makita ko na po kayo ni Tito Batas very soon. Wish ko po sana na matupad po lahat ng wish nyo sa buhay. I'm always here for you, Tita Mami. I miss you so much. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mami. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Day. Happy birthday. Pagbati namin mula kay me at saka si Milo.
B. Hi, Cass.
Day, happy birthday, Day. Sa pinakamayamang kong pinsan sa pinakamaganda kong pinsan, baka may 5,000 ka dyan, Day. Pautang muna ako.
Cass, happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana lagi kang happy and healthy. Love you, Cass. Ingat ka lagi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mami. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Day. Happy birthday. Pagbati namin mula kay me at saka si Milo.
Happy birthday, Tita Abday. Happy birthday, Tita MC.
Happy birthday, Day. God bless you. Mag-asawa ka na.
Yun. Alam mo si Goyong, no? Si Mickey lang to. Happy birthday, Ate Maricar. So, wish ko sana laging happy, stay healthy, and sana pagpatuloy mo lang yung magandang trabaho dyan and pagpatuloy yung pagtupad sa pangarap mo. So, yun. Balita ko, ikaw daw yung pinakamayaman sa Miyagi ngayon. So, pautang naman.
Happy birthday, Carrie!
Para sa aking classmate nung high school, for Maricar, happy birthday sa'yo. And wish namin always good health and everyday happy. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Carrie.
Happy birthday, MC. Thank you for the years of friendship and wishing you all the blessings, happiness, and good health for your birthday. Thank you also for the years of friendship. Tagal na pala natin magkakilala. And nawa lahat ng mga pangarap mo ay matupad. Enjoy! Happy birthday.
Hi kapatid, happy 18th birthday. Chari. Happy birthday, wishing you all the best and stay safe. I miss you and hope to see you soon. Bye!
Hi Carrie, happy birthday. It's been a while since we last connected and I would love to catch up with you and Ma'am Lisan soon. Miss ko na yung kwentuhan natin. And wishing you a fantastic year ahead and enjoy your day to the fullest. I miss you, girl. See you soon.
Hello Maricar, happy birthday. Sana jolly ka pa din katulad ng dati and sana magkita tayo ulit kasi marami na akong kwento. Hopefully kung nasaan ka man ay ayos ka and sana yung family mo din is all well always. Ayan. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, small cat. Wishing you a year filled with happiness and success and all your dreams coming true, inshallah.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday and
Happiest birthday.
I just want to wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, brother.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka parate.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, God bless you, enjoy your day.
Happy birthday. God bless you and more years to come. May the Lord keep you safe. Enjoy your birthday celebration. Thank you.